In a small town near a quiet river lived a man named Oliver. He was smart, hard-working, and very ambitious. From a young age, Oliver believed that money could bring happiness. While others enjoyed friendship and simple moments, Oliver dreamed of being rich, powerful, and admired. Oliver started working when he was young. He learned quickly and noticed good chances to earn money. At first, his goals were simple. He wanted a comfortable life and wanted to help his family. But slowly, his wishes began to change. When Oliver earned some money, he wanted more. When he became successful, he did not feel happy. His ambition made him restless. Over time, this restlessness turned into greed. Oliver opened a small business with his childhood friend, Samuel. Samuel was honest and patient. He believed success should be fair. Together, they worked hard and customers trusted them. Soon, their business started to grow. As the business earned more profit, Oliver became impatient. He began using cheaper materials and charging higher prices without telling Samuel. "This is how business works," Oliver said. "If we don't take advantage, someone else will." Samuel noticed the changes and warned Oliver. He talked about honesty and responsibility. But Oliver did not listen. He thought Samuel was weak and slow. One day, Samuel discovered the truth. He was hurt and angry. He confronted Oliver, but Oliver blamed Samuel and forced him out of the business. Greed had blinded him. After Samuel left, problems began. Customers complained about poor quality. Workers felt unfairly treated and quit. Oliver ignored safety rules to save money. One night, a fire destroyed the warehouse. Insurance refused to help. Oliver lost everything. With no money and no friends, Oliver returned to the quiet river from his childhood. Sitting alone, he thought about his mistakes. He realized that greed had taken his peace and his friendships. Oliver found Samuel and apologized. Forgiveness was not easy, but Oliver accepted his mistakes. He started again with honesty and humility. He earned less money, but his life felt calm. Greed is never satisfied. The more you want, the more you suffer. True success comes from honesty, balance, and respect for others. He promised never to let greed control him again. Samuel forgave him, and they rebuilt their friendship. They started a new project together, honest and fair. They worked hard, but kept kindness and honesty in every choice. Oliver finally understood that happiness is not about money. It comes from respect, honesty, friendship, and inner peace.